What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructified video. Today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you could create a game pass like I did right here. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know. Alright, so what you gotta do firstly is go to roblox.com, and once you go there you have to go to create, and once you go to create you have to click on creation. Once you click on creation, Roblox gives a default place to everybody, so you should always have this right here. And if it takes you to a different website, just search up roblox.com/dashboard. It should automatically take you right here. And once you're over here, you have to click on creation. Once you click on creation, you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to click on this right here. Once you click on this, you have to scroll down, right? Once you scroll down, you have to click on passes. Then once you click on passes, you have to click on create a pass. Then you could literally name it anything you want. So let's say you want to add an image, like I'm doing this image right here, and I'm gonna name it, you could literally name it anything you want. So Game Pass, description, do anything you want. Then once you do that, you have to click on create pass. Then once you create a pass, it's the upsell right here, you have to click on that. Sales. Then now you can make any price you want. So let's say you want to make it 25. Make sure you know that Roblox is going to take away 70% of your earnings, right? So let's say you put it 25, you're only going to get 17 because Roblox is going to take away the other 30%. So from here, what you got to do is just click on save. Then you just go back. And as you can see, this is for sale right here. Open a new tab. Yep, it's for sale right here. If you restart your game and go back to please donate me, and you find the stands that's not claimed, you click on it. There you go, you should have it right here. It's super easy. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. And if y'all need help with anything else, let me know.